Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix apps not downloading from App Store in iPhone. Recently many iPhone, iPad users have experienced an unusual issue on their iPhones or iPads. The problem is the applications are not getting downloaded from the App Store on their iPhones. Not being able to download apps from the App Store has left most iPhone users frustrated, and it might be because of lack of storage space, incorrect date and time issue, or issue with the Apple ID like the password being updated, etc. Don't worry if you are also facing such a problem with your iPhone. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this issue. But first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So the first thing, you should go for sign out and then sign in to your iPhone again. If the users has recently changed the password for security purpose, then this might create problems on your iPhone since it has saved your old password and has been using the same for the Apple Store as well. So we need to sign out and then signing successfully. Then try and check if the applications are getting downloaded on the App Store or not. For this, open the settings page by tapping on it. Now tap on your Apple ID at the top of your setting page. Scroll down the Apple ID page to the bottom and then tap on sign out. Now enter your password and tap on turn off. Once it's done, then sign in your Apple ID again and you are done. And the next step is change the app restriction settings. Content restrictions, if enabled on your iPhone, could be responsible for this issue, where it won't allow the users to download some adult content apps on their iPhones. So change the app restriction settings. For this, go to settings page on your iPhone, tap on it, scroll down and tap on screen time. Now tap on content and privacy restrictions. Here tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Now tap on installing apps. On the apps page, make sure you have selected allow option by tapping on it once and you are done. And the next step is reset the network settings. Most iPhone users have claimed that simply resetting the network settings can actually fix this issue. So we recommend it. Try resetting the network settings on your iPhone and check if it works or not. For this, go to your settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Here you will see the option of reset network settings. Tap on it. It will require your passcode, so enter your passcode. This start resetting you the network settings on your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is check the iPhone storage. There is a possibility that the lack of iPhone storage could be responsible for the application not downloading on your iPhone through the App Store. So the one way to tackle it is to check if the iPhone storage is full on your iPhone. For this, go to your settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. On the iPhone storage page, you will see all the contents, videos, photos, application and other kind of stuff that are seen stored on your iPhone, which is causing this issue. So you need to figure out what to delete in order to make some space to download the new applications from the App Store. After making space on your iPhone, try opening the App Store and downloading the application you want and see if this worked. And you are done. Next step is change the date and time settings. Some iPhone users expressed that they were able to resolve this issue by simply adjusting the date and time setting by setting the correct time zone automatically or manually on their iPhone. For this, go to settings page, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on date and time option. Turn on the set automatically option by tapping on its toggle button. Or otherwise you can manually set the time zone by tapping on the time zone option after turning off the set automatically option. After you have set the correct time zone, check if the issue has got fixed and you are done. And the next step is pause the download and resume it again. When any app downloads gets stuck while downloading, it can be paused or resumed again after some time. This will initiate the download again and it start downloading the app without any issue. It worked for many users, so we advise our viewers also try this method. So if you try and download the application which you want from the App Store, if you feel the application got stuck, then go to your home screen. There will be an icon of the application you are trying to download with the loading sign inside it. Just long tap on the icon and select pause download from the context menu by tapping on it, and after that wait for some time and then tap on the application icon again to start to resume the download again, and you are done. And the next step is turn off the low data mode. If the user has enabled the low data mode setting from the internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile network, it will cause a problem while downloading any heavy application on the App Store on your iPhone. So let's try disabling the low data mode and see if this helps. For this, open the settings page on your iPhone first, then tap on the Wi-Fi option. Now select the Wi-Fi network that you use on your iPhone by tapping on it. On the Wi-Fi network page, disable the low data mode option by tapping on its toggle button. You need to do the same with the mobile data if you are using mobile data, and you are done. And the next step is edit the app download settings. There are very good chances for this issue to occur with gamers who try to download a gaming application that is over 200 MB, because by default the app download setting is set to ask if over 200 MB option, which will not allow you to download any app which is over 200 MB. So let's change that and see if could help us in downloading the apps without any issue. For this, go to your settings, tap on it, scroll down, and then tap on App Store, scroll down, and then tap on app downloads under mobile data section, and then tap on always allow, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of apps not downloading from App Store in iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.